Turning a page, we're opening a door into a new part of our service. This part is quieter, more contemplative. So probably you have a phone on you. Please turn it off now. Even if you don't think you're going to get a call. If you've been here for more than one Sunday, you've heard the phones go off in the middle of the silent meditation. And that doesn't have to happen. So I'm encouraging you to turn them off now. Thank you. And this first open door into the more reverent part of our service is led by Linda Tanner, giving us our reading for this morning.
Our reading today is by Dr. Catherine Kelly, and it is called Soul Health, the core of radiant living. If we dwell in spirit or soul, we are living in happiness, for soul is a happy entity. To know your soul is to know true health. Only then can you reach radiant living. But most people find it difficult to manage the common cold gracefully, let alone to live a fully soulful and radiant life. So what is missing? What keeps you from feeling a complete sense of health and well-being? The primary void in our modern approach to health is any concern for our soul. Unlike early conceptualizations of health, our current ones lend very little, if any, value to the influence of our soul on our everyday lives. As a result, we are not only losing contact with our most vital ally, but also losing track of what it means to experience optimal health. The soul is at the hub of all aspects of our health and well-being. It is the nucleus of every action, behavior, thought, emotion, ache, or pain, and it houses an inherent wisdom about what we want and need for optimal vitality. Each discomfort, or symptom of the soul, alerts us that something is amiss. This dis-ease is our soul's attempt to warn us that our lives are somehow misaligned with the needs of our innermost core, and that if we leave it unattended, we will suffer in one way or another. We will fail to reach radiant health. Our soul's most natural state is that of unimpeded growth. Therefore, our soul's evolution depends entirely on our willingness and our ability to balance our lives in such a way that we can create an unobstructed environment for its growth.